Good morning folks, 21st Century Caveman here. Hope everybody's well, hope everybody's happy. So, just a few days before Christmas now, and I wanted to do an unboxing of my first Christmas present to myself. It's something which I picked up from Screwfix, something which I consider to be an absolute bargain. So if you're quick enough and get out there, if you're after something similar, then you might be able to pick up a bargain as well. I'll just reset the camera and I'll get back to you. Okay, so as we can see, there are actually two items here. The first of which is a tripod upon which you can mount a work light, either one or two of those. So, I've got one of those. And the second item is a sight light. Okay, this is a rechargeable one, it's LED. And basically I got these in a promotional period, so the normal price for this according to the Screwfix website is $39.99 and the normal price for this is $12.99. So anyway, this is discounted to £14.99, which represents a 62% discount, and the promotion, if it's still on, was that if you buy any sight light you can get the tripod free of charge. So basically 40 quid and 30, and that represents £53. I've got the lot for 15 quid, 72% discount. So if these are any good, and the reviews suggest that they are, then this is what I would call an absolute bargain. Anyway, let's just open these up and take a closer look at them, shall we? So we can see that it's rechargeable. So I would just like to make it clear that this is not a review. Clearly I can't review something if I've never used it. So this is just an unboxing basically. Right, okay, so we've got some instructions here then. Put those to one side, we're not interested in those at this stage, are we? Just looks as if it could be part of the base. This is clearly the lamp. So that's quite a nice size. Obviously that's the mounting bracket. Ooh. This looks like the charger. And this looks like a cable to put into a cigarette lighter in the car or van. On-off switch, obviously. Presumably that indicates the how much power there's left in the thing. And this is where you recharge it, just in there, look. So now I believe this takes a few hours to actually charge up, so I'm going to put it on charge now, and you know, so it's ready for action. Now, one of the reasons I actually decided to purchase this, quite apart from the fact that it appeared to be an absolute bargain, is the fact that I've still got quite a bit of plastering to do. I've got lots of work to do in the property. I've been poorly for a few weeks now, so there's a lot outstanding, a lot left to do, and because it gets dark so early, from about 3 o'clock in the afternoon, I just thought that it would be handy to have a lamp like this, so it will enable me to work more effectively when it gets dark. So, for the sake of 15 quid, I thought it'd be an absolute bargain, and I'm sure I'll be very happy with it. Given the feedback on the reviews on this Screwfix website, this appears to be an excellent item. So I'm looking forward to getting this charged up and using it. So on the underside here, look, you've got a little nut. Which means that all you're going to have to do basically is just screw it into this hole. Let's put those on there, shall we? So, it's pretty nifty. This actually weighs quite a bit, so that suggests that it's a reasonably sturdy item. Try not to cut your fingers in. So clearly you have to assemble this, which I wouldn't imagine would be too complicated. So this clearly appears to be the locking mechanism when you want to adjust the height. And I bet you anything you like, that goes down there. It's a good guess, isn't it? I'm also betting that this knob here secures this here. This probably it doesn't. There we go. Just to keep that nice and tight. Okay, so So it looks as if this knob here controls the extendable bit. There we go. And the closing of the tripod. Now this crossbar here, that's what it looks like. So it's got this, let's just pull this off. Okay, so this bit here will appear to go in to a hole down here. So that looks as if it goes in, that hole just there, and this looks as if it's just covering this little cap here, just covering this hole. This is spring loaded, so I reckon if you put that in there like that, pull this out, give it a bit of a push, oops, and just secure it into place. Okay, so the thing is pretty much set up, other than not having the lamps on here, and it's not entirely clear what the process is for fixing these, other than the fact that we have a couple of holes here, so presumably you bolt the lamps on these sides here. So let's just have a look at this thing then. So this enables you to raise the height of this bar here. So screw it in clockwise manner, tightens that up. Now the actual tripod bit, let's have a look. So I'm just wondering how easy it is to extend these legs. Okay, so it can be done. I suppose the best thing to do is just put a bit of pressure on and give it a bit of a push really. But yeah. So it feels a little bit flimsy actually, you know, when these things wobble around a little bit. So I'm not sure how strong this thing's going to be, but certainly as things stand at the moment, what I'm doing, look, I'm just tightening this up here because that will secure the stand as it is at the moment. Lovely. So I'm just looking for a fixing point then for this lamp. No, there's nothing under there, so it looks as if I'm going to have to get myself a nut which is going to fit these threads in order that I can secure it. So as we can see, look, in order to secure this, you do need to supply your own nut on here. And it's a little bit disappointing, I suppose, really. I mean, look, I'm not going to whine about it because I've got this tripod for nothing. However, given the fact that we have two Diall products, we have their lamp and we also have the tripod, you would expect that they would actually make provisions, you know, just to finish off the package, just to make sure you had a nut that you could actually secure on the tripod. So we're a little bit surprised to find that it's not there, but like I say, I've got this for nothing, so I'm not going to whine about it. But just got to try and find a nut now which will fit that.